There's a bunch of license tape. Yeah. The license rolls of tape. Look in there. You might get another piece of tape out. You might get another roll.
What's in there?
Look in there.
Give him attention on it.
He likes to tape rolls.
He likes duct tape like his mommy.
Yes.
What's in it?
What's in there? Look on the side. Let him see it.
Oh,
Titus! Pretty boy.
Oh, that was great.
Got a bunch.
Titus, you're a nut. Get Titus, what's in there?
What's in there?
Oh, he figured it out. No, bite the tape. No, it's in there. Get it, Titus. I got it. Get it, Titus.
It's in that one. Yeah. You stick your head. Yeah, stick your head through it. Look. Come here, look. You see it? See this? Yeah.
He's getting smart. He said, I know I ain't got to stick my head in it. Oh! Tied the punt.
Get it, Titus. He's gotta go through each one to get to it.
Oh, so if we put another one, is he gonna go through all of them?
Mm-hmm. It's like, hold up. It's not in that one, is it? No, it's in this one. Get in that roll of tape and get that. He got
he got it.
Yeah.
Yay! Pants is crazy.
He's funny.
Say bye, Tidy Pants.
Bye-bye.